Are you looking for a healthy and delicious dinner option? Look no further. Today, we're going to show you how to make a nutritious cabbage and eggs recipe that is perfect for any night of the week. To start, heat some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped cabbage and sauté until it's soft and slightly caramelized. Next, create wells in the cabbage and crack eggs into them. Cover the pan and let the eggs cook until the whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. You can get creative here and add ingredients like garlic, paprika, or even hot sauce for an extra kick of flavor. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, simply plate up the cabbage and eggs mixture and enjoy a healthy and satisfying dinner in no time. This cabbage and eggs recipe is not only easy to make, but it's also packed with nutrients and protein to keep you feeling full and energized. Give it a try tonight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal ideas and cooking tips. Happy cooking!